Well, the players can't complain about the atmosphere. It is absolutely buzzing here. The next 90 minutes should be captivating. Neymar, Alba, Mascherano, Neymar. The sun is out and the football is reflecting that. That's well out by the defender, Costa. He did well to win the ball back. Alba. Neymar. Neymar. Alba. Saul. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Alba sends it forward. Neymar. Saul. Well cut out. Oh, that was close. Suarez. The keeper has saved it. Now it's Griezmann. Saul. Now it's Griezmann. Oh, well timed. Sends it forward. He's onside here. Oh, good catch by the keeper. He read that one absolutely perfectly. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. Good effort. What a finish. Fantastic work from the goal scorer and his team. A much-deserved goal. So the first goal today, great work from the player there, and I'll be hoping to get more. Okay, well cut out. Busquets in possession. Played back to the goalkeeper. Alba. Salah. Alcácer. Here's Dembele. Busquets in possession. Alba. Oh, well intercepted. Passed well. Oh, he did really well there. Here's Dembele. Suarez got into safety. It's half-time and a chance for the managers to do their work. Some new players are on the pitch, and they make an impact, though, in this second half. 1-0 then at half-time, a slim lead. It's all to play for in the second half, though, and he's back in possession. What a well-timed tackle. It's with the striker, and he's won it back for his team. And the goalkeeper eases the pressure. Good distribution from the keeper there. Oh, he did really well there. Neymar shoots, and it's saved by the keeper. Aimed towards a penalty spot. He's put a shot well wide of the post. Bit of activity on the bench, likely to see some fresh legs introduced shortly. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. Shoots, oh, great save. Neymar shoots, so close to a goal there. Well, let's have a look at that one again. Forward from the keeper. Oh, he's onside here. Here's Dembele. His teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff. It's 2-0. Oh, well timed. Busquets in possession. They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure. That's good link-up play, and that's a throw-in. You can see from the bench that the manager's extremely pleased with his team's performance today. So, Alba with the tackle, sends it long. They're appealing, but he's onside. Good effort. He got a good hand behind that. Here's Dembele. Well, that's high and won't trouble the keeper. The referee very much in control of this game, and he hasn't had to show a card. A tactical change here then. This player really has got involved today. He's onside here. Oh, he has a go. That was a real chance. They're unlucky not to. Well, let's take another look at that. Oh, they're in cruise control now. The game is surely all wrapped up. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. And Neymar shoots. Top-class finish there. And he's found the back of the net. What a great goal. He'll be pleased with putting his team 3-0 up today. A commanding performance from this team. Koke. Nice work there. The defender then back on the ball. Good interception. They're appealing, but he's onside. Neymar shoots. Oh, good save by the goal. Let's take another look at that wonderful save. And we're entering stoppage time now. And that's into the box. Heads towards goal. Quality defending there. Out of the danger zone there. It's with the striker. They have the ball again. Down the line. Full time here. Some tantalising football on display. And a comfortable win for this team. No doubt in my mind with that decision. This player has been outstanding and deserves being named man of the match.